Hello everybody, and today we are going to do the next task, which is the sample superstore provided by the Spark Foundation for the internship. And to do that, the first thing we have to do is we have to visualize the task, and that we have to show it over here. I have imported the pandas in NumPy over here, and the data is saved in a data variable, so we can see the data. It's something like this, and with the info function of the data we can see that the data is having 9994 entries, and a 3 float 64 type, 2 int type, and 8 of the object type values are there. These are the names provided over here. I'm not going to go in very deep in that, but if you are doing the Spark Foundation, you can see. And so I have dropped the postal code from here because the postal code is not doing anything with us. It's always different because we have city, state, and country, so we don't need the postal codes over here. The ship mode, we can see that three unique ship mode is having four unique feature like second class, standard class, first class, and same day. Array is having unique value. Segment is having unique values of consumer, corporate, home office. Now, first we need to see the sales profit, where we are getting the most sales profit from the products which we are selling. So I have grouped it by the states and added the profits over here, so which is in the sales profit, and then I have plotted it over here. Now this X tick is basically doing what it's because if we write it horizontally we can't get the name, so I have done it like vertically, so this is used for that. Now over here if you see the maximum profit we are getting for California and New York, so I know if you are getting the maximum benefit from there, then every company would like to invest over there only. So the company should invest there, not in the Texas or Ohio or which is the Pennsylvania. These states are having like losses over there, so companies should not go over there. Now over here, if we have plotted it with the some region, like which region, like south, west, central, or east regions. So here we can directly see that the west region and the east region, they are having the maximum benefits. Every segment, like binders, if we are selling, we are having the maximum benefits, or papers are having the more benefits. The least benefit is copiers, so uh, copiers are like no one is liking them or what, so maybe. Now so profit and sales I have plotted, so which are giving me the blue is for the profit and sales is for orange, so I can see that maximum profit we are getting from the chairs. No, maximum sales is of the chairs and the phones, but the maximum profit we are getting from like phones only. We are not getting for tables are just having the sales, but benefits are like going less. So companies should stop selling that or do something for that. Binders are having more sales, but the benefit is less. So as you can see, with the states I have done like in ascending order. So as I had already said, the California, New York is having the more benefit, more sales and profit compared to that of other sales and compared to that of other states. So sales are higher in California and New York. Now subcategory, like I had done, then office supplies are mostly purchased, so companies should go for the office supplies if they have to increase the sales, which is good. Now for the pair plot we can see the profits, like how we are getting the profits. So as we can see, like the sales is increasing but the profit is not increasing much. Home office may be giving us the bit of a benefit, but it's not like everything is getting, like only one, and most of these are like no benefit at all, so we don't think we should go for the sales like. But here if you see discount, even though we are increasing the discount, we are not getting much profit, we are getting a loss in the sense. And with no discount also our sales are increasing for the consumer products, even though there is no benefit. So I don't know why they are giving the discounts, and the quantity, if even though the quantity is increasing, we are not getting the benefits. So yes, companies should invest in the a company should give the discount, but not so much that customers should go like, no, this is now best product. So if somewhere around here no discount, also some products are being sold, so consumer products are mostly sold. So companies should provide consumer products mostly, and that too in the California and New York City. That's what I should think of. And thank you. Bye.